Alright, we're back, and today we're going to start disassembling the rest of the block. Got everything all taken off, just on the inners now. I'm going to start the oil feed right here and take this off. And then go to the pistons, take the pistons out, then the crank, then we're going to clean everything and hone the cylinders and start putting everything back together. Alright, got all the pistons out. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Took all the bearings out already. Put the rods back together. You want to make sure there's marks on the inside. They're all on the same side. This side's all the time facing the top of, the front of the engine. So all the marks will be on the left. There's everything out, just the crank left in there. So I'm going to take these bolts out next. Get this off and get the crank out of there. And move on to cylinder head next. Then we'll start cleaning everything off. Almost got it all taken apart. Take this off the mount. To get this off, it's going to be held on by these two down here. Maybe I can get another one just to put it right there. Let's see. Oh, that one's in the way. Yeah, shit's going to be crazy. Gotta take this off. Maybe I have to find something to jack up right there, a wedge or something, so put some pressure on the front. Yeah. Right there it is. Got this out. That's another name of that. Got the crankshaft out. Timing chain sprocket still on there. Crankshaft bolt still on there. Pistons. And the block stayed on. It's crazy because one of these is threaded. One of them isn't even threaded, and it's just there holding it. Oh wait, no, it's upside down. But these top ones are threaded. This one right here. This one wasn't even in. My bad. I was tripping, but it's all good. These two are holding it, and I can take this off the block now. can get started on the cylinder head, start taking that apart. That's what's next, is the cylinder head. Alright, this is how far I got. I got the rocker arms off, that little cover that was holding the rocker arms down. There were some springs under it now. I started loosening it up and they just started coming out. But I got them all. And next is the cam. Let me get ready to take this out. I already got everything loosened up. Took this cover off here. I already loosened the camshaft pulley before I even took it apart. Because I had a feeling I needed to take that off early. And I think I was on time for everything else. I thought I was a little ahead, skipped ahead maybe. But everything looks good. Let me pull the cam. Cylinder head all taken apart now. There's all the valve springs and retainers. Got all the keepers over here. All those little dots down there, those are keepers. So, yep. Here's the cylinder head. All taken apart. It's been all disassembled. I left all the bolts and brackets on there. It's easier to keep track of where they go back to. I still gotta change the valve guides and stuff. It's just all taken apart now. It's time to reseal everything up. My flex hone came in yesterday so I could hone that, but I gotta clean everything off now. The engine block is all disassembled. And there's the pistons, crankshaft. Let's see what else. Camshaft, stuff out here. Kind of dark though. Transmission, oil pan, dipstick, valve cover, rocker arms. Yeah, it's dark out here, so I'll just go ahead and go back. Yeah, everything's all taken apart now. It's time to start cleaning. Alright, let me start cleaning and I'll get back to you with whatever's going on next. Alright.